Hello and welcome to Northwest Craftsman. My name is Josh, and being that this is the first video of the channel, I thought that it would be a good idea to provide you with a little bit of background about myself, some of the goals for the channel, and also what some of my plans are for the future. First, a little bit of background about myself. As I stated earlier, my name is Josh. I live in Canby, Oregon, and I got my bachelor's and master's degree in mechanical engineering. I love learning new things, and woodworking is no different. Currently, I'm starting out with literally zero woodworking experience, unless you count the whittling sticks as a kid in the backyard. But basically no woodworking experience, no formal training of any kind. My goals for this channel are to focus on traditional woodworking and hand tools only. So I'll be using traditional joinery, no power tools, and I'm going to be starting from the ground up. I don't have the knowledge, like I had stated earlier. I don't have any traditional training, and I don't have any of the equipment. Literally, this card table is the only thing that I have, and as you can tell from my background, which is my garage door, I don't have the nice cabinets or things to hold my tools in, and in fact, all of my tools are currently in the cardboard boxes that they were shipped to me in. One of the things that I would like to do is provide you with any of the resources that I use to make what I did on each one of my episodes, whether that is links to the tools that I used, online resources, books, or other videos and other channels that I have followed to learn the techniques and to learn the things that I am showing you. Something else about the channel is a part of the learning process is making mistakes. So I'm not planning on making mistakes, but mistakes are going to happen, and a part of what I would like to do is review any of the things that I have done that I would consider a mistake or that you guys would consider a mistake. We can revisit it and see if there's a better way to do it or change the way that I would do it next time. Because the only way that I'm going to get better and we're going to get better is by learning from those mistakes. The last thing that I would like to do with this channel is create a community. Create a community where we can learn, where we can ask questions, and we can get input from everybody else that's on this channel. So whether you're casually watching it or you're providing active input to the channel, I love all of it. We love all of it, and I want to create a community where we can learn to woodwork together and learn some of these new techniques and new processes together. So moving forward, short term, I would like to make a couple of videos on what do you do with your new tools. I just ordered my chisels from Amazon. Now what? And so I'm going to walk you through maybe the sharpening process and how do you prep your tools to become ready to woodwork, because a lot of tools straight from the factory are not necessarily good enough to start woodworking with immediately. The other thing that I would like to do, the first project I would like to do is a picture frame. And so I'll walk you guys through what exactly that looks like, how I'm making it, the design process and the manufacturing process, and how I want to actually put that together. And then longer term, like I had stated earlier, being that I've got a card table and a garage door, I would like to create the different things that I need to actually woodwork effectively. So create a more substantial workbench, get some things to hold my tools aside from the cardboard boxes they came in, sawhorses, you name it, everything. So small projects I'll be doing, but then also the larger projects of just building out my shop to be a functional place to work wood. If this community is something you would like to participate in or think you would like to participate in, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, check out our Instagram or Facebook, both of which are linked down in the description below. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I look forward to seeing you again.